Guys, I have a new referral link for you. I just joined MAPerformance's new street team. If you've been following me for a while, sometime last summer I joined their old street team and I had a referral link for you guys to get 5% off your first order at MAPerformance, and I got a little bit in return. Well, they made it even better for both of us. So their new street team gives you a 5% discount on all applicable items, whether you're a first-time customer or not, and I get a small commission when you use my link. So that link is right here. I'm so happy. But before I talk about the 2 exhaust systems that I'm ordering, roll the clip. Guess what I just got, ladies and gentlemen? Finally got myself one of these garage units. Number 73. This is actually right where I wash my car all the time. I put my camera right here on this thing, and now I'm gonna be able to park my car in here, pull it right out, give it a wash, pull it in there, give it a ceramic coating. These are good times. Here we go. Oh yeah. This is going to make living in an apartment so much better. Wow, okay. There's actually a decent amount of space in here. This is not bad, guys. I already started putting some boxes out that I need to bring over here. I'm gonna start storing a lot of stuff in there. So we have pretty tall ceilings so that when I take off the stock exhaust for the Type R, I think I'll probably put it in the corner here and it'll be able to stand up. Okay, what the heck is this? Oh, we have a little light. Man, it's not terrible. I always could get a super bright bulb and put it in there myself. And we only have 1 power outlet? Oh man, I really think that is the only power outlet. That kind of bumps me out, but I guess, you know what? I can just buy like a power brick so I can plug multiple things in at once. That's what I'll do. Oh, that's kind of weird. You can see into the neighbor's garage unit on either side. A little something, something right there. I'm pumped. Let's get some stuff in here. All right, later, guys. Just kidding. So the Type R should be able to fit in here with those tires, and so I'm gonna do a test fit real quick. We fit. You know, I think a really cool modification for this car would be the automatic folding mirrors. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I don't know how expensive it is or anything, but you can get automatic folding mirrors and you can add the button to your keychain. That is what I need. It just fit probably with a total of 3 or 4 inches. Probably even enough space to get in here on the passenger side. See, I need to get some like guards right here for the side of the door. Still enough space here to put some boxes. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a tight fit. There is definitely enough space in here for me to do the ceramic coating when that time comes. My friend Joe, he has a YouTube channel, Joe's Auto Spot. So he runs a detailing business, and he told me that he'll send me some professional grade ceramic coating. So I'm waiting on him for that, and then this is gonna get ceramic coated right here now. For the intercooler, which I'm gonna do tomorrow after work, I'll just back it in, and then I can use this space right here to do the work. I need to figure out if I'm gonna get a C5 or a Cobra. It's a tough decision, tough decision. I'm gonna stop talking about that because I'm probably annoying you at this point, but I'm gonna get something cool, and it's gonna go fast. It's gonna make loud noises. You're gonna see a whole different side of this YouTube channel that you've never seen before. So, about the exhaust systems, I'm on to something. I reached out to MAPerformance immediately when I saw that they were releasing an exhaust system and a downpipe for the Type R. I ended up getting in touch with Tony, who is the senior sales associate, and Charlie, who is the marketing director. He's the one who's in charge of the Instagram account, the YouTube page, everything like that. And whenever you see the YouTube videos, it's Charlie and Dalen. I am getting both the street version and the track version of the new MAPerformance exhaust. Also, I'm getting their catted downpipe all at once. I probably won't put everything on all at once. I think I'll probably do the street version first and drive around with that, make some videos, and then swap that out for the track version. And all you have to do is just take off the rear section, so the muffler portion back here. So I can swap them out whenever I want to. I'm pretty sure if I just back this car up onto ramps, it would be a pretty simple uninstall, install. And for the downpipe, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna try the downpipe out with the track exhaust and the street exhaust. So there's gonna be 4 different exhaust combinations. And I'm gonna have so much good content. Before those come in, I am going to splurge and buy a really nice microphone to hook up to my iPhone. Today is April 15th, so it's been a few days since I last recorded, and I have a lot of updates for you. All of the exhaust parts have been ordered. Like I said, I ordered the street version with the track conversion kit, and the front pipe and the catted downpipe from MAPerformance. So I'm absolutely going crazy thinking about all those videos that I'm gonna bring you guys. Also, I told you guys I was going to order a better microphone, and I did. I ordered the Shure MV88. My God, it's so quiet. So we're gonna get a big audio upgrade very soon for the channel, which is much needed. This is a song that I wrote in high school. I'm not sure how it's gonna sound on video, but I'll play it. So right now I'm gonna get you guys some flybys of the Type R because I had some complaints when I installed the PRL intake. I did a flyby, but I didn't even floor it. So I'll get that for you right now because this is the last week that we're gonna have to stock exhaust. So also, why have I not tuned my car yet when John sent me that Honda Flash Pro like 3 weeks ago? Well, I told John that I would really prefer to wait until after I have an exhaust because tuning this car without being able to hear it just doesn't feel right to me. I mean, yeah, an extra 90 horsepower is great, but I'm just so used to doing the exhaust first. I just think it would make the video and also the experience of like flooring it for the first time tuned if I could hear the car. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the street or the track version first. Let me know if you guys wanna see first. But oh my goodness, I got in contact with someone from the MAPerformance marketing team today. Really nice guy, and he is excited to work with me. I am stoked to be working with them. Also with the Corvette Mustang situation, I am pretty sure I'm gonna go get that Cobra. Okay, so I'm gonna have both my cameras set up. One of them is gonna be getting the intake sound, pointing this way. The other one's gonna be pointing this way, get the exhaust sound. So I listened back to that first clip when I was giving it about 50% throttle, and why is this car so quiet? I don't understand, because the 9th gen stock is louder than this car stock. It's crazy, and the 9th gen with an intake is way louder than the 10th gens with intakes. You really can't tell me that it's because of emissions, because the Hyundai Veloster N has the variable exhaust modes, and that's kind of loud from the factory. It's getting pretty warm out here in Northern California. Tomorrow is the intercooler install. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna go out and test out the Honda Log R app. I'll be able to see my temperatures so that I can give you guys a good comparison between the stock intercooler temperatures and the PRL. Because you already know what your boy's gonna be doing after this is tuned. The Mustang Cobra, I've seen dynos of those at like 265 to 270-ish to the wheels. So that, and because it has a 5-speed, I don't know, I think that would be a good match for a Stage 1 10th Gen Civic Si. So right when I get that car, I'm gonna link the communities together by doing a race versus a fearable Stage 1 Si. And again, the problem with the SN95 Cobra is that it only comes in a 5-speed manual. So the more aggressive gearing of the 6-speed, it's really gonna show its advantage in the, in higher speeds. I don't know, I wanna start getting some cars on the channel that you guys haven't seen on here before. Obviously there's gonna be some muscle content, but I'm gonna do my best to link both of the communities together, the JDM and the muscle. Also, the new GoPro Hero 9 Black does a better job with like noise cancellation and wind noise, so I should probably get that too. This is just so cool. $105 a month, but whatever, man. That just means that I have a place to park my car, so it doesn't get dirty like this anymore. Look at this. I just washed this. Well, no, actually, it's been like 5 days. This is just making me so much more excited for when I do buy a house. Sorry, for when Vivian and I buy a house. So, you see, getting the next car, the Corvette or the Mustang, it's not gonna take anything away from the content I make with this car. All it means is that I'm gonna be super busy. Staying up late editing videos, staying up late recording videos, all that good stuff. So I do want to start doing podcasts, and the echo with a couple things in here isn't too bad, and it'll get better the more things that I add in here. But maybe like a Cam's Garage podcast or something like that, I don't know. But I have a bunch of people who I'd love to do a podcast with. Those should probably go on a second channel. They probably will go on a second channel. I don't know if you guys would be interested in listening to that on Spotify too. Because if it's like an hour and a half, 2 hour long podcast, I know I personally was annoyed when Joe Rogan's podcast was only on YouTube because you can't lock your phone screen and still keep the podcast playing. So I think Spotify would be pretty sweet. That's not towards the top of my priorities right now. I have a lot of parts that need to get on this car. Babe, do you want to hear my blues voice again? Yeah, you want to hear my blues voice, yeah. Yeah!
Make a good blues voice, no offense.
I do make a good blues voice.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You don't.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Singing in my blues voice, yeah.
If I didn't love you, I would literally.
Yeah. I know you love me, babe.
You wanna know?
I know you love when I sing to you, babe, yeah. See, it's a blues voice because if you listen to like 50s blues music, they kind of have this sound.
You don't even listen to 50s music. I do. You don't. So how could you possibly know?
I was born in the wrong time, baby, yeah.
We could drive to Nashville right now.
I was born in the wrong time.
Stop.
Oh shit! I'm in trouble, boys! No! You did not. Babe, stop it! I've got to get my video out, babe! I've got to get me video out to the boys!
Nope.
Babe. She's latched onto my legs, boys! I can't move!
I get to do this to my grandma all the time.
Stop it! Guys. Babe, stop.
I feel like my privacy's been violated.
I can't move. I'm disabled, boys.
Stop being a little.
Ow.
You're not putting that up there.
I'm not getting you any snacks at Walmart. I'm just kidding. You were a good sport.
Take it off.
Take what off?
All of it.
Okay.
You're not coming to it. Babe! Why do you do this to me?
Alright, I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna be in trouble.